You signed it, but did you actually read it? Your mom texted, "Did you actually read the contract?" You typed back, "Yes, of course." You did not read the contract. This is Alex, 19 years old. First year of university, first apartment, first city away from home. He signed the lease yesterday. His parents have been texting ever since. He opens the PDF. Legal language everywhere. His dad keeps texting questions Alex can't answer because the answers are buried somewhere in 8 pages of civil code references. Here's what Alex does. He opens ChatGPT, uploads the PDF, and asks plain questions in plain language. He doesn't ask ChatGPT to analyze the legal framework. He just asks what he actually wants to know. ChatGPT reads the whole contract and breaks it down. Alex finds out he'd owe 2 months' rent if he leaves early, buried on page 6. Now he can answer his dad's messages, all of them. You don't need a lawyer to understand what you signed. You just need to ask the right tool the right questions before it's too late. Next, your child doesn't understand fractions. Neither do you. AI can explain it to both of you at the same time.